as a father, I have 2 daughters. I think you have 2 daughters as well?
That's
Yeah,
right.
I love my daughters.
Oh my God, dude. It's the best thing in the world.
It's the best thing in the world. Yeah,
How old are your kids?
17 and 22.
Yeah, good for you, man. Mine are 13 and 17.
Yeah, so you're a few years behind me. How do you instill that mindset into them?
Well, I don't give them money. I don't give them an allowance. They work for the company. If they don't want to work for the company, they don't get any money. So they have an agreement since they were 6 years old of activities they have to do each year. And they get paid X dollars for that. Those dollars then get put into a real estate transaction that's illiquid.
Okay.
And they have to live off the drip.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So when they were 6 years old, Sabrina got a check for $50,000, I think it was. She had to do ding, 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 a number of things, show up for events, shake hands with people, make phone calls, ever since she was 6 years old. Even the little 6-year-old voice, my dad wants to know why you didn't buy a ticket, And dude, they learned so many great skills from that. We'd be at live events. They'd have to go shake hands with all the VIPs. Thank you so much. My mom and dad want to thank you for being here. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so when they need something or want something, they have their own money. I get to write it off, by the way. It's a write-off for me. An allowance is not write-off. It's income for them. And then we deposit the money into a real estate event, which 10 years from now, they'll be 27 and really need it. Because we're buying real estate for long-term, 10 and 15 and 20 year. We're buying great assets, as you know. And then let's say that piece of property, they put in 50 grand, it pays them $2,500 a year. It pays them $200 a month. They can do anything they want with that 200.
Yeah.
They can waste it, blow it. Most of the time they don't. I want an iPhone. Okay, good. You got your own money. See, I can't write off that iPhone. So why should I pay for it? So yeah, that's how we do it with the money, dude. And then the other thing is anytime they want something they can't afford, like yesterday, Scarlett wanted something. I'm like, okay, negotiate a deal. And she's like, I don't want to do that. I said, okay, well then don't do it, dude. Like all I can tell you is this is how the game works.
Yeah. So mean when you say negotiate a deal, meaning like bring me some proposal why I should give you that money and what you're going to do for it in return.
Yeah, number one. But number two is you need to go back to them and get the price lower. And which is a very, very uncomfortable thing for all human beings to do. And the sooner people can learn this, I think the better off they are. I don't care what it is. I'm going to ask for a discount. Like, is there a special deal you can make me? Is there a way to do something special for me? It's just a muscle, man. I got to grow the muscle. I'm trying to get Kanye tickets right now. I'm like, hey, dude, what can you guys do to get me backdoor? Like, how can you get me in there? Like, where do you want to sit? Where I want to sit with him.
Yeah.
Like, you got to learn you don't get what you deserve on this planet. You get what you ask for.
Yeah.
And then you only get what you ask for and then persist to get. So I told her she wanted to buy these workout classes. And I said, the girl wants $1,600 for 10 sessions. Go back and tell her you'll give her $1,000 for 10 sessions. And she's like, oh my God, I can't do it. I said, oh yeah, you can. You can and you will. And then, she went back and she asked her and the lady came back and said, I'll do it for $1,250. And I said, okay, go back to her and say, he said he would do 12 for $1,250. He'll give you the $1,250, but it's 12 sessions. And, the chick agreed and Scarlett learned something. And, that's how I teach my kids about money.
What I love about that is you're getting them focused on or getting them used to living off the passive income, not spending down the capital, but living off of the income from that.